Like if I publish my 2 books, I'll be telling you how I did that, exact number. I don't want to glamorize social media world. That is welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sameeksha Juneja. For those who don't know me, I am a 2-time author. My first book is The Days of No Worries. It's a poetry book about school life. The other one is Broke to Freelancer. It's a book about freelancing which I wrote with Shruti Rajput, and we have told everything about freelancing, skills, how to get clients and how to make money as a freelancer. So all of you know me now. So for those my earlier audience, sorry for being inconsistent with content on YouTube, but now I have decided to be consistent. Okay, a little life update. I was missing in action because I had my class 12 boards, I had my intensives coming up, and I wanted to give in my 100% to get into a good college. So now I am done with all of that and I am back to my YouTube family. So that was life update, and another update is that I'm going to change the niche of my YouTube channel. Earlier I used to create content around freelancing, book writing and all those opportunities coming up in the market. But now I'll shift my niche from freelancing, book writing to college, to commerce, to commerce stream, to internships, to my experiences, like my mental health experiences. Like I experienced a lot of things, a lot of confusion after class 12, and I don't want you guys to go through that. Like I see my audience, I see them as my younger self, and I want to give them the honest advice. I want to teach them everything which I learned after scrolling through things and after researching, after implementing them. I want to give real life advice to you like an elder sister. So my YouTube channel will revolve around like internships, college life advices, study tips and tricks, productivity hacks, like everything which I am trying and testing out will be shared to you, the best ones, so that you don't have to hustle through. To all those who have been watching my content, thank you so much. You have shown a lot of love. Thank you so much for making me what I am right now on YouTube, and just keep showing this love, this support, and we will grow up this YouTube channel. And yes, my content would be around mental health, productivity tips and tricks, internships, college life, commerce stream, study hacks, everything what I'll be trying. Like if I publish my 2 books, I'll be telling you how I did that, exact number. I don't want to glamorize social media world. That is what I have been going through past 2-3 months, that everybody on social media and exaggerating things. I want to make it crystal clear, like there are failures. I want to share my failures with you so that you don't feel that FOMO, and you know that everybody goes through that, and it's part of life, and we need to learn this. I want to show you the real side of my life, my failures and everything. Just like a younger sibling, I'm telling to a younger sibling, younger cousin of mine, so that he or she don't have to struggle. My YouTube channel would be around that. Like I'll be sharing my learnings, my failures, how I am doing things. Like if I'm growing my YouTube channel, I'll tell you. If I reach at 10K, I'll tell you how I did that. So that would be my YouTube channel. And if talking about niche change, yes, change is the only constant through life, and you need to do that. Change is tough, but you can't be resistant to change. You need to learn to change. And yes, that's why I thought of changing the YouTube channel, so that I can be consistent and share whatever I'm learning to my younger siblings, to my younger cousins, so that they'll have to hustle for sure, but I can help them. I want to help them through some bit of knowledge, and that's the main purpose of my YouTube channel. I would be highly glad if you could share my YouTube channel with your younger siblings, or the ones you think it would be helpful to. I would be highly grateful to you. And this is Sameeksha Juneja signing off. I'll be bringing out content where I'll be exposing like what are my failures, what are my flaws, what are my success, how I achieve them. Like everything will be in front of you guys. You will see me growing. I'll be sharing tips and tricks, productivity hacks, focus hacks, everything with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to my YouTube channel. This is Sameeksha Juneja signing off.